Okay, I'm back. Welcome back to Animal Crossing Happy Home Paradise. As you can see, we're in Timbra's house. I almost didn't even upload my earlier video. I was just so embarrassed of what I was doing. I just kind of lost sight of what this build was supposed to be, and I hit a mental block. And so we're going to try this again. I'm going to maybe even try and make a little balcony here for her. Or do I want to do the French doors? Let's look at my designs. I'm not sure which to do here. I've got the glow-in-the-dark stickers. Yeah, the only reason I even uploaded my earlier video was because I thought the doctor visit at the hospital was so hilarious that I had to share it. So I do have railings for balcony, but maybe I haven't used the French doors yet that I downloaded. I'll try to remember to add the design codes. I have to look them up. I might have written it down. Let's see how these look. What are the different? That's the top. Okay. So I think that goes up here. Not sure how wide these are. So we'll put it centered. Pardon me. Centered like that for right now. I might have to change things around, but let's just clean slate. I got rid of everything in the house because that was horrible. I was starting to do a design like I've already done before. Let's just copy you and then change the way you look. Need the doorknobby one, I think, now. I think. Oh. Okay, that's wrong. Okay. I'm not paying attention to how these are numbered. 1, 2. So wait, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh, I think then there's another border. Got it. Okay. I think I'm getting it now. So move this over. Move this over. I really should have looked at the picture again. But that's okay. I think we're getting it. I'm like not even sure what buttons to hit right now. And I probably shouldn't do this yet, but I feel horrible about what I put up earlier. I've never felt that embarrassed by a video before. Whoop. Oh, see, wrong things. Oh no. Oh, I thought having a little lunch and settling down a bit would help, but apparently I'm just going to be a bit spazzy about this. So do we have... Ay, ay, ay. So then we should have the border, the frame. So this one. Okay. That's looking like a French door. Like she's looking out on a starry night. Okay, let's just put these in place and then I'll customize them because I am... Brain no worky. Brain no worky. And this is why I don't do a lot of custom paths. Let's see, do we have a top corner? Yes. All right, now we just need the bottom corner. I'm getting it. That's the wrong bottom corner. Okay. Okay, that's not right. Need a top there. I guess that one. Hey, it looks like a door. I did it. I got a door. Of course, now my walls are the wrong size. I may have to make the room a little narrower to get this to work. I hope I don't lose my design when I do. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah. I'm going to customize them once they're in place because it's just, yeah. Okay. Now we make this look like a door. I think I kind of like it. I like it. And I will, like I said, I will add the design code once I find it to the description of the video. I forget which one I just put up. Hey! Okay, we are on a roll. Now we need the doorknob for that side. Okay, now the frame for that in the middle. There we go. Inside corner, bottom. Okay, I keep hitting the plus button on that screen instead of what I'm supposed to hit. Well, there, that's not so bad. Except now, do I want to make the room smaller? Let's see what happens when I do that. Okay. Now there should be room for 1 panel per side, I think. I think I still like this panel wall and flooring. Well, there, I actually did something, and it's starries. Starry nights. We can look out at a starry night. That's kind of cute. Okay, I'm done. No. Do I want to keep these walls? It is awful formal. What other light colored? I do like, because we have the white French doors, I'm not going to go with a dark wall and change the doors. That just took me quite a few minutes there. That's a fun wall. I like that wall. Maybe we will keep that wall. Let's go with maybe a little more fun floor. Gosh, I say it every video how much I love that one, but I'm not going to keep repeating myself. Let's see. Do we want the cloud flooring? I know we've used it before. Ooh, I kind of like the blue Moroccan. Ooh, that's fun too, the purple Moroccan. I'm sorry, this was Moroccan art tile. That's the blue Moroccan. Blue dot? Maybe? At least it's starting to look a little more fun and a little less serious. Go with just a plain floor and do some area rug stuff. Starry sands flooring. I'm just, the galaxy flooring isn't quite doing it for me. That's fun. Future tech, that's neat. I like that flooring. I don't know, we've used it before. All right. Let's look. Before I forget, I want to put up some Starry Garland. Hopefully I can hang that in front of the windows. Color. I love, all these colors are just so pretty. Let's just stick with the yellow. Oh, it went behind the... There we go. Oh, no, I can't put it there. Oh, that's right, because I've got that there. Oh, that's a bummer. I really want it there. Well, we'll have to put it somewhere else. We'll get rid of it for right now. That is just the one main bummer of the partition walls. Let's see what we have that hangs from the ceiling. Maybe that could go there. Nah. I don't really want to keep using the drapery. I'm not so sure I'm going to keep that. Light blue's pretty. Keep the cloud flooring, although it is kind of fun. Well, I guess that works, like a little decoration, a little drapery. At least this is looking a little more fun than it was. That was just some really somber, like serious thing I had going before. Too bad we don't have like the Starry Nights painting. I don't even know if that's an option in game. All right, now let's look at furniture again. Look, the purple. Oh, she's applauding it. Now, do we want just maybe one by the window that she's looking out of? Do we want a couple of them? Do I want more partitions? Like make a little... That would be such a tight little fit, whatever I did. I think it's just one main room. I don't know if I want to use all of the, I don't know, all of the, like, star recipes, but I might. Yeah, we'll keep that in front of the window. That's fine. Pisces lamp. I feel like I've just used these so much already. Oh, let's give her the star clock. I always like doing, I don't know why, I always end up doing the clock like above the wall, but, or the above the door, but maybe not this time. And we'll put the garland up on the side walls, I guess. Except I'm not facing that way. Let's get that going. Let's just do it all along the wall. Be fun. Oh, you know what? I want to make the room narrower. Am I going to lose my wall? I'm going to lose my wall. It's too deep this way. Oh God, you guys, I think I'm going to lose it. I'm going to have to do it again. If I do, I'll just pause it, the video, and get us caught up to where we are. But yeah, I definitely don't need the room this deep. Because I want my stars to go all the way across and not just stop weird in the middle. So I'm sorry. I should have thought of that before I did it. Okay, that's all right. It's all right. It's not the end of the world. Actually, this isn't so bad. I can fix it. This won't take very long. Okay, just go in and do this. Okay, now get the doorknob. Should have thought of that before that's all right. I feel like we're on a much better track than we were before. So I'm not discouraged like I was. But yeah, I was thinking about taking a nap. And I was snuggled down on the sofa with my dogs, both snug, you know, right up close to me, the TV on nice and quiet. And I'm like, I can't. I've got to go redo that build. I can't believe what I was doing. It was horrible. I've never felt so bad. It was so silly. Okay, so we'll do more of the fun garland over here. And why I keep going the long way about finding stuff, I don't know. Well, some of the moss stuff might be neat in here too, because you can customize it, I think, into lighter, more fun colors. I think I can actually tuck that back there. Yeah, and that gives us all the way across. That's what's wrong over here too. There we go. It's kind of fun. I sort of want to just keep doing it all the way around the room. See if it fits on this wall okay. And I like the purple. It's pretty. Perfect. Oh, that's kind of sweet. I'm almost tempted to make this like a, gosh, what a bummer though to not be able to have it hanging from the ceiling right in front of those partitions. So let's get her chair back. And get this back. Get that back. All right. Oop, trying to grab it. My depth perception, man. Wow, I should have that looked at. Yeah, I like that just a little off center. Because I'm a little off center. Yeah, that works for me. Do I want to do these? I don't think I want to do the drape all the way across, but let's just look at how that looks. Oh, it doesn't fit anyway. Good. That answers that question. All right. I like the fun. The walls kind of remind me of clouds a little bit, so that's kind of working for me with the starry floors. Put the cancer table next to that, I guess. I don't know where I'm going with it, but I'm much happier than I was. I just want to see what this looks like in a light color. Silver could actually work as well. Probably no pattern, but yeah, no pattern. Whoop. No, maybe that'll go when we do the upstairs of her house. Do I want to use the little lattice type of wall shelfie thingamaboober? I don't know what, I forget what it's called. I use it a lot. It's in my cafe. Could give her the rocket, make it look like she's getting ready to shoot off into the stars. Oh, we might use this and this. I don't know. I'm just sticking them in here for maybes. I like the dreamy shelves. Maybe use that upstairs. I don't think I'll do upstairs now. I just really wanted to get in here quickly and fix what I messed up. Do we want to use this? This would give us something to put some items on. I know I've used them a lot. She is a fan. I don't think those are going to go with the room. I might have to move that. I just feel like that adds a little more visual interest to the front. I know I've done it before. So we could put the table maybe even on this side. That works. That's a no. That's a no. kind of little cute things do we have that could go on the shelves? Maybe some plants. I might even put some of the little star fragments like we have in the yard. And even when I looked at the yard, that looks kind of messy to me. It's like, wow, what were you thinking, girl? This was not your best work. Oh, maybe she has like a cute music player in here instead of the big stereo. Maybe. Star clock. I don't think that hangs on a... Does this hang on a wall? I don't think so. Oh, she loves it. Let's put this here. That rubber ducky is so cute. I don't know why I'm grabbing this. I just wanted to see the different colors. There's absolutely no reason why I have that. I'll probably get rid of it. Oh yeah, I forgot there's the scrapbook. Can there be one with like... that looks like pictures she's taken of the night sky? No, not really. Definitely want to use that at some point. What else? What else? What else? What else? Let's use that instead of the moss jar. That makes no sense in here, but this does. To me, at least. So many things, and I have no idea what all. Maybe she likes to have a little picture of herself. I mean, she is pretty cute. No, she doesn't seem too impressed with a picture of herself. I'm not loving this table here. I want to see the hanging shelves as well. I don't think I'm going to hang them down from the top, but I just want to kind of see. Oh, that's right. The garland. Okay, that does fit there. You know what? Let's do it. I don't want plain front walls. Kind of cute. Should we move this all over just a little bit? Not sure what else to give her in here. There's so much we could do. What kind of wall decor do we have? I feel like I'm kind of working backwards, like doing the small things first, and that'll help me decide. What does this look like? That's kind of neat. Help me decide what big pieces. That's what I was trying to get to. Big pieces should go in here. Hey, hey, don't fight me. Not loving it. What else? What else? What else? Oh, I wanted to see what this could look like. Ooh, see, that's kind of pretty. Pink. Not sure where to put it, though. Do a little grouping of some things, I guess. Or or do a pattern with them in different colors. Is that weird? Maybe. It's kind of interesting. I don't like the blue. Don't like the turquoise. I mean, I like the colors, just not together. Or maybe the white is the problem. Well, it's kind of interesting. I like that it glows. Let's fiddle with the lighting. Eek. Change the entry. And then the lighting, let's dim it. Oh, look at how the Star Garland lights up. That's pretty. Don't like how that interacts with the shelves, but so I might fiddle with those a little bit. Although I guess it's okay. I probably could have made the room bigger then, but it's fine. Well, I just want to walk in here. I'm trying to see the top of the walls. I'm too short. It's just like real life, too short. All right. Let's give her another little seating area. Maybe the rattan furniture in white. Except does the white have an ugly colored seat cushion? I wish it weren't. I wish you could change the seat cushion color. I don't know what I'm doing. And you guys will know. But if it's a sanctuary, you want to have lots of places to sit and read and relax. That's not too bad. Still not feeling that table over there. Starting to hit that block again, but I feel like I've sort of fixed a few things. Maybe I would rather go with one of these sofas. I do love that Moroccan sofa. That's better. That looks a little cozier. Oops, let's get you all the way against the wall. Move you closer. And tables. Does the Moroccan come in a white? I think it might. Oh, silver. The silver would work. Yeah. Let's get rid of that. It just doesn't fit this room. It's too serious. Maybe put the camera on that table. Like if she were taking pictures or something. Let's see. Should we give her a dining table? Maybe. I kind of want to give her a pet bed with one of the little stuffies next to it, maybe. That would be kind of sweet. do that over here. No. Back where you were. What else? I don't think I'm going to use the serving cart, but I might. I might use it as a little end table with some goodies on it. Need a little table or something in the middle there. Just looking to see what might trigger maybe a little kitchenette or something over here. Let's see what else. I don't think this really goes with the room. No. Kitchen island and the iron. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know. Here I go. Making weird decisions. I don't like that. Nope. We're getting there, getting closer. I feel like I've used the piano quite a bit when I've been stumped. Yeah, I don't think she loved it. No, that doesn't fit the theme. I still kind of like these on the wall. I don't know if I want to just mirror them onto the other wall or do something else. Oh, a fireplace? No. Go real kooky and give her an outdoor bath inside. Oh, I wanted to see what other colors this came in. Oh, all of them. It's pretty. I think that's kind of fun. I don't know that it really serves a purpose other than it provides some neat lighting in here. Put it in front of the window. Instead of a plant, I think that's kind of a neat idea. What other things do we have? There's all of our medical... Oh yeah, I've got to go put a skeleton in the hospital. I know, it's a little weird, Timbra. Just work with me here. Just trying things out. I guess maybe I should focus on getting you a coffee table first. Do we want the kids' tent? That might be kind of sweet. I don't know why. I just kind of like the look of it in here. Now I'm just getting silly and putting random anything in. I might replace that with something else. I might not. I just wanted to fill the space. A fountain? Oh. Illuminated snowflakes could be kind of fun. Maybe well, I don't know if I want to put those outside or not. All right, let's find a little plushy doggy to put next to the pet basket. They're all so cute. Pink. I think the kids' tent is probably a little weird. Let's go look at tables. Or just, oh, maybe those shelves that I got rid of. Maybe those will work in here now. The little organizers, just so we have something we can put things on. I forgot to change the color of the boxes. Probably the pastel oh, we could do the stars, though, like we have. Hi, Duchess. I hear you. Move these. Put this over here. Yeah, that's all right. Change the boxes again. All right. Now we need... What do we have in creatures? Should we put a little fishy in here? Is that weird? Maybe that's weird. Oh, I want to look at other. A star wand. Put that somewhere. Oh, I should put some of this glowing moss outside. That would be pretty. Maybe put some star fragments. Oh, that's cute how it did it. The wand's maybe a little weird, the way it just kind of stands there. Yeah, I think we'll put the camera there. Now that I almost forgot about that. I don't know why I'm giving her so much pink. It's just how this room's turning out. And let's see what else we have for over here. Oh my gosh, my dogs are getting antsy. Oop. No, I don't know. I'm hitting my little... I love this little public telephone. It's cute. Let's maybe do some plants. I do like this framed photo. I always forget what all pictures are available for it. I was hoping we had like a nighttime picture. Sunset photo might work. Oh my gosh, my dog is now doing her afternoon. Mommy's making a video, so I'm going to sit in here and groom myself really loudly. Deal. Ugh. Do other people get kind of, not I guess irritated would be the word, with the loud grooming of your pets? And if you do, are you the kind of person that, like, you have that thing where it kind of grosses you out when you can hear people chew? Yeah, I'm one of those people. I've gotten better. But yeah, how big is that? That's pretty big. Yeah, that's bigger than I thought. Whoop. I'm looking for things I can put on the table. Oh, we'll give her a little beverage, I guess. Oh, I don't have a coffee table yet either. I guess we'll go with the wooden low table. Although I might just do a couple little stools. Yeah, that's exactly where I wanted it. Because if I put it there, you can't really get around it. Yeah, that doesn't work. Let's just do a couple of those little poofs. They're cute anyway. There we go. The footrest. I guess we'll leave them angled. That's kind of neat. I don't know if she'll be able to get by them, but I feel like I'm not making the best use of all the empty space in this room. And oh my gosh, I still need to put stuff up on the walls. Why? Why am I so slow at these? I'm just so slow. I watch other people come in and do their videos, and it's like just plunk a bunch of things down and arrange them just easy peasy lemon squeezy, and they're good to go. And I just feel like I struggle. Oh, maybe she's looking at a resort magazine, looking for vacation spots to go stargazing. Oh, she loves that. Perfect. Now we'll put a little plant on that other table. Maybe the terrarium. I feel like I haven't used this. No, I don't want to use the terrarium. I know I keep using the anthurium plant a lot, but I don't have a lot of choices. So, and it's pretty. And it comes in a bunch of different colors. That works. So now what do we want on the walls? And then I'll do some hanging lights. I kind of want to just do more of the glowing moss wreath, but I don't want to be so boring and just keep doing the same things. Deer decorate. No, not the deer decoration. I like the light bulb sign. It's neat, but too bad I don't have any that are just window designs. I don't think I do. Let me make sure. I think I only have the French doors and the railings. Oh, I do have the glass block. What's that look like? No. I don't know why I downloaded that. I thought I might use it, I guess. Oh my gosh, I need to pause for a second and go stop my dog. It's getting really gross. All right. After this, I'm going to have to go be a good dog mommy and clean her little feetsies. I don't like that on the macrame on the wall. Why? Why? Bear with me. I'm just kind of mimicking the design I did on the other side, but with something other than the moss wreath. I don't know. That's why. It serves no purpose. Oh well. Other than I needed something on the wall. Let's do a hanging light. Maybe put a couple framed photos up. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to put up any actual artwork. Let's get a photo of Shino. And once again, forgot to go to the wall. Oh, actually, maybe we will try some of the artwork. See how it fits the space. It doesn't fit with what I've got going. Wreath. A wreath could work. I feel like that would look better maybe over here. And yeah, let's just do some lights. I'm not going to worry about the spot over the sofa. What light fixture? Do I want to go Moroccan? A spiral is a little fancy. I like the imperial lamp. I don't know if it goes with the style of the room. Sure is pretty though. I think I'll wait and use it elsewhere. Maybe the cube? Okay, if you hear that banging, it's the screen on my window. We've got to tighten that down. I think just those two. All right, so we're not finished. I still need to figure out her upstairs and do a little bit more for her front yard. But this has me feeling a little bit better. It's ready. It's more ready than it was before. It's better than it was before. You did it. Thank you. So this vacation home's theme is Starfield Sanctuary. I'm still happy with the theme. I'm not necessarily as happy with my execution as I could be. Aww. I love how she calls me Pine Nut. I don't think I want to change her outfit. And I probably made this room a little too pink and girly. I don't know. That's a little better. I like the French doors looking out on the night sky. I like the customized boxes on those shelves by the door. Do you think she's getting out her phone to call another decorator to come fix what I've done? Aw, she's cute. You've done so much for me. Oh, of course, since you're here and all, how about immortalizing your work with some pictures? Yes. It's such a photogenic home. Yes, we will take photos now. All right. Should I change her look? Let's put her on her eyes. When I pick her up like that, let's put her on her chair. I don't know if I want to change her look or not, but let's see. Her red sweater just kind of looks really good on her. Should we give her, do they have the little star like headband? Oh my God, they have the moss one. Cute. Glowing wreath or the light up crown. Oh God. I'm not seeing, what is this? Oh, twisted hachimaki. Cute. No, we'll leave her as is. And let's get into the camera. Let's try handheld. I haven't really worked with that much. Whoops. Oh, see, I always miss. No, sit back down. Oh, that's a horrible picture. Let's get her back into position and I will. Some of them are more patient than others when it comes to taking their picture. I like this because you can get some different angles and stuff. Let's zoom out a little bit. That one light is bugging me. Well, there we go. Oh my. That was a face. That's better. All right, let's pick our picture. Yeah, let's go with that one. That looks better. This looks a little bit just, yeah, much better. Is it great? No, but it's better. I'm heading back. Oh, I will take care. Thank you, Pine Nut. She's very cute. Oh, I feel better. That That was horrible what I was doing before. Thank you, Lottie. I'm finished. Yeah, I'm finished. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you liked that better than what I was doing in the first video today. See you on the next one. Take care.